Today I want to show you how to check and print your Jamb results. So you open a browser, you type jamb.gov.ng, then you log into your Jamb profile. Use your email and your password. Those of you who have successfully linked your email, I know you would have gotten your email and password. Now you can log in. When you log in, on the dashboard you will see this place, print results. So you click on it, print results. You have to make payments, so you can use whatever method. This is what I usually use. This first one, you pay with remitter. You can click here to make your payments. Now there are different methods of payments. You have your card, your ATM card. If you are using your smartphone, you can safely use your ATM card. But if you are using maybe a cyber cafe, if it's a trusted cyber cafe, you can use your card. But if you don't want to use your card, it's allowed. You can use different methods. So it will display, to show you the amounts. This result is the original result. See, is 15 plus VAT. By the time you click on it, they'll add the VAT. So you click continue to make payment. Confirm all your information that is correct. Then you click pay now. So it will load and it will take you to remitter, where you will pick your payment method. This is where you scroll down and click submit. So this is the remitter number. You can print this out and take it to the bank to make your payments, or you can use your card here or use your USSD. So after you have made your payments, you can go back and print. So that's it. If you have any question, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or drop a message and I'll reply to it. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share.
Thank you. Bye bye.